Hello guys and welcome. In this tutorial video I want to show you how to process a quotation on Sage Pastel Accounting. What you need to do, you go to Process tab, then you go to Customers, because remember that a quotation is a customer document. On the document type you change it to quotation, then you're going to select the customer right there who is looking for the particular quotation, and just select the first one, then you move down, then I'll just on the code, that is where you're going to select the product that the customer is requesting the quotation for. So I'll just select the first one, and I'll say that the customer is requesting for quotation of 4 massage balls, and then also the quotation for Chinese tea, 4 of them as well. Then remember that for Chinese tea the prices are not set, so that is why we're not getting any price. I'll just insert the price manually. I'll assume that the price is 50 Rand. Now I need to move to the last line so that I can now update. So you need to update this particular quotation. You'll click on next document. Then now, to see if the quotation was created, you just go to number, then you click on search, and then now there is the quotation that we created. I'll just select it and open it. So this is the quotation that we just created: 4 massage balls and 4 Chinese tea. So that is how you create quotation on Sage Pastel Accounting.